Viewers, in this module we are going to discuss our first question is what is that? Name the following parts from the adjacent figure where O is the center of the circle. So this is center of the circle. So let's take what is that asking that AO. What is the names? So AO is nothing but it's joining one point on the circle from one point on the circle to center of this circle. So this line anywhere, it may be like here also, it may be like any point on the circle joining from center, that is called, what is that? Radius. So AO, that one. Next one, our second one is what is that? Is AB. So it's joining AB. So let's check here, from A to B it is joining, from A to B it is joining. So this one is a chord. The 2 points which are joined from the circle on the circle is called chord. It is called chord, but this chord, this line is chord, this chord is passing through the center of the circle. So this is passing through the center of the circle, then that one we can call it as that diameter. So diameter, this diameter is 2 times of radius. 2 times of radius, that is 2 into r. Diameter will be equal to 2 into r. So it may be chord. When chord is called diameter means that chord is passing through the center of the circle, then that chord is called as diameter. Our third one is BC. So they are given BC upon that curve symbol. BC curve. So what you can take it as here, curve symbol is there means we should remember arc. It may be minor arc, it can be major arc, it may be semicircle, anything like that. So BC, from B it is there. So what shape they are giving here is, so they are asking that this one. So this arc, the 2 points, so from BC this is the portion. So the 2 points, the circle between 2 points, circle between 2 points, circle between 2 points is called arc. Circle between 2 points is arc. So that is minor arc. Why minor arc? It is less than semicircle. So semicircle will be like this. So like this. So it is less than, we are taking less to. So here this portion only we are taking. This arc only we are taking. This is C. This is B. So this is minor arc. If it is a less than, so this portion I am taking. So if it is a less than semicircle, then it is called minor arc. So that is minor arc. Our fourth one is AC. So where is AC? So this is the AC. So let's take this point A and this is C. So this line they are asking. So this line they are asking. So that is AC. So what is that? AC is nothing but that is chord, the 2 points which are joining on the circles through one line which is not passed through the center. If it is a pass, it is called diameter. If it is not passed, it is called chord. Our fifth one is DCB. So DCB, here curve symbol is there, is definitely arc only. DCB. So it is a major arc. We are taking complete portion of this. So from C, so we are taking this portion completely. So DCB means we are getting circle means like this we are getting. So this portion we are taking, this arc. So here B, here C, here D. This is more than half of the circle. So here, so let's take this one circle. So we are taking more than half of the semicircle. So more than half, that is major arc. So major arc. The points between 2 points, the circle between 2 points, D is the point and B is the point. The point, the circle between 2 points is called arc, and it is more than half of that, more than half of this, more than half, that is major arc. Sixth one is ACB. So that is also, so ACB. So what is that? From here, let's take, so A, here it is. So let's take this one. ACB. ACB. This is the what is this half circle we are taking? That is semicircle. Semicircle. Semicircle or half arc or semi, like that we can take. Our seventh one is semicircle. Seventh one is AD. So where is that AD? So this is also curved. So why? Because here 2 points are joining. So this point A and D, these 2 points are joining, that is curved. The 2 points which are joined on the circle through one line, that is called chord. Eighth one is shaded region. So what they are asking here is, so this shaded region is, so what you can take, this all shaded region. So this is the addition of shaded region is addition of one chord and arc. So arc and chord between that region, we take it as segment. So that is segment. If it is a less than semi, if it is a less than half circle, that is segment. If it is a less than to half, then that is minor segment. Minor segment. If it is a more than half, if it is a equal to that, that is semi segment or half segment. You can take it as a semi. This one is segment, half segment. If it is like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Our second one is state true or false. They are asking us to state given the true or false questions. So first one, what is that? So here a circle divides the plane on which it lies into 3 parts. So let's take one, draw one circle. So we are drawing one circle. Then this is the plane region. So it will divide this plane into 3 parts. Correct. This is actually, it is true. So it is true. How it is true is, so it will divide this one, inside of the circle is interior, on the circle is boundary of the circle, then outside is exterior. Yes, it is exterior plane and interior plane and boundary plane. You can take like that. Next one, our second one is, it is true. The region enclosed by a curved and minor arc is minor segment. Yes, it is true. So let's draw one circle. So what they are asking that, so here region enclosed by curved and minor arc. Curved will be, let's take like this. Minor arc means it's less than half of that. So let's take this arc. One curved. So let's take curved will be draw like this. So this is the region where it is enclosed. So this is segment means one curved and one arc. So let's write here A, B. So this one is minor segment. Yes, it is a chord means it's enclosed by. So this portion is arc. This is the curve. Then this one is minor segment. Yeah, that is true. So second one is true. You can take like that. This is the minor segment. One chord and one arc will come means issued enclosed region, always it is a segment. Next one, the region enclosed by chord and major arc is major segment. So in this only we will explain. So major arc means it will be like it's more than half circle. More than half circle. So let's take this point and these points. So here it will going to join with this. So what is this? DE. So let's take DE. This is the enclosed region. So this is major arc. So this is also major arc. So let's take this segment is what you can take it here as. So the region enclosed by chord, this chord ED chord and major arc, this ED arc. So here ED arc and ED like this. We can take it like this. Or you can take any X here also, that is also no problem. So that is also true. For third one, it is true. Why? Because it is more than half of that. It's more than half of the semicircle. For that, it is major segment and major arc. A diameter divides the circle into two unequal parts. So that telling that diameter two unequal parts. So draw one circle like this. Draw a circle like this. Next, locate the center. This is the center. Then what they are asking that, so draw diameter. So two equal parts of semicircles. It will not divide unequal parts, it will divide equal parts. So diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. So this is the diameter. That is false. A sector is the, so what is that? A sector is the area enclosed by two radii and one curve. So that is false. Why it is false is, fifth one, it is false. So sector is nothing but draw one circle. So let's take sector as, let's take like this. Sector is nothing but two radius. So let's take this one as A, B. Here are some X you can, if you want, you can take. So the sector is nothing but radius, two radius, one arc. So it is enclosed by sector is nothing but like this. So it is a minor sector I am drawing. If it is a half sector, major sector means it will be two radiuses and major arc will be there. So sector is the area enclosed by two radii and one arc. So it is a two radii and one arc. That is called sector. So you have to remember like that. Segment means always one curve and one arc. Here two radius and one arc. Arc is one only in both the segments. Two arcs. Arc is one only, but here segment means it is one curve. Here sector means it is a two radiuses. Two radii will be. That is false. It will be arc. Then it is true. Next one. The longest of all curves of a circle is called diameter. Yes, it is true. So longest of, let's draw one circle. So draw one circle like this. The curve means your center. The curve means which are joining 2 points on the circle. 2 points on the circle. The curve is nothing but joining of 2 points on the circle. Then join through center. The curve which is joining through the center, then that is called diameter. As we told, yes, it is a maximum chord. That is true. The longest of all chords. Our chord may be like this also. The 2 points joining, the 2 points joining like this also. But it is the longest one. So these 2 points are joining through the center. That is the longest one. We can call it as longest chord is equal to diameter. You can take like this also. Yes, it is true. Next one, our last one is the midpoint of any diameter of a circle is the center. Yes, exactly. So midpoint of, let's draw one circle. Draw a circle like this. So here, so let's take what they are asking, midpoint of any diameter. So join 2 points on the circle, then so these are all the diameters on the circle where that point is joining. This point is the center of the circle. So that is center of the circle. Yes, it is what you can say. This is also true. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.